Hello, St. Paul's. It is Friday, September 11th, and this is the ministry and renovation update for the end of this week. This Sunday, I begin a new series of messages that is entitled The Big Picture. It's looking at the big issues of life and seeing how the broad themes of the Bible address those big issues. This Sunday, we're looking at who is God. We're not going to answer the question completely, but from one of the broad themes in the Bible, we're looking at addressing the question of who God is. And so our worship service, our live stream, happens this Sunday at 10:30 a.m. as always. You can find the link for that at stpaulsottawa.com on our homepage, the link for that and all of the other ministries that are going on, children's ministry, youth ministry. You can find what you need right there. If you're looking for information on giving to the church, that is also there. Just go to the homepage and then click on the link for Give, and that will lead you through the various instructions there. We continue to make plans for our hopeful reopening of the building for worship services on Sunday mornings for October the 4th. We are putting policies and procedures into place, and we are really hoping that the situation in the city, first of all, will still permit us to do that, and that we will be able to provide the best possible environment for people to come together to worship. To that end, we are still needing some people to help serve on Sunday mornings. This is to ensure that people have masks. This is to make sure that the COVID pre-check has been done, and that is that we require everyone to do that in the registration, but that can be done several days in advance. So this is just confirmation that the way they answered the questions when they did the registration, those answers still hold there. So there's not a whole lot to that, just confirmation that people are still well. And then making sure people get to their seats. We will be restricting seating in the sanctuary, obviously, for physical distancing. We have a seating plan all set up, and so you will be asked to sit in a particular area. If you're coming in the front door, you will be seated towards the back of the sanctuary. If you're coming through the back door in the back parking lot, you will be seated towards the front, so that we don't have people passing each other a lot. So we do need people to help make sure people get to their seats appropriately. None of this is really difficult, but all of it is really important. And you will be getting training if you are able to do this. So if you are able, if you are well, and we understand that some people with underlying health conditions cannot do this, but if you are able, I would encourage you to contact Pastor Tammy or the office directly at office@stpaulspcottawa.com or 613-729-3384 and indicate that you would be willing to serve in this capacity. So if you would let us know, this is the Lord's service. I understand that we've gotten used to worship being kind of an hour at home, that we can be in our jammies if we want to, and this is a bigger ask. This is asking us to step out more. But in service to the Lord, I would ask that you would consider doing that, please. And finally, here's a quick video on what Campbell Hall looks like today. The Lord bless you and keep you.